Do you want to know how to delete text messages on iPhone? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this, but make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake in this process. To delete individual messages, open the Messages app and go to the conversation you want to delete a message from. Scroll to the message you want to remove, then hold down the message bubble. This will reveal a pop-up menu. Select More. You will now see a check mark beside the messages you have selected. You can delete these individual messages. If you want to delete multiple messages from this conversation, tap Additional Messages level to select more messages you want to remove. Then tap the trash can icon in the bottom left corner. To confirm that you want to delete these messages, tap Delete. To delete an entire text conversation, you won't need to individually select each messages you want to remove. Instead, go to your list of conversation and find the one you want to delete. Then swipe the conversation to the left to reveal the delete button and tap the trash icon to remove it. To confirm, tap delete at the bottom. That's all it takes to delete single messages or entire text conversation on iPhone. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we hope you have a fantastic day.